I'm Katrina. That was the opening line of one of my favorite Irish jigs called Behind the Haystack. I'm a violin and voice teacher, originally from the United States, but also from Germany. I grew up speaking English and German, and I also speak a little bit of French. I started violin when I was 5 years old, and I went on to study at the Lawrence Conservatory of Music, voice and violin, and I've been performing and teaching professionally for more than 10 years. I do come from a classical background, but as you can tell, I love Celtic music and folk music, and also other genres, especially musical theater and jazz. So I teach all different genres, and I believe mostly in a healthy foundation. My focus in lessons is on having fun and finding a way to make it rewarding for you. In violin, I believe in a good foundation, and I especially like working on a flexible bow grip that I believe can take you into advanced levels in any genre. And in voice, I work a lot on body awareness and finding your own sound that's free and can move in the way you want to. And I do also teach many of my students to read music, read sheet music. That's something you're interested in, but I also have learned, and I do teach by ear, especially in Celtic genres. I work with all ages, anywhere from 5 to 97, so let me know if you're interested in lessons. What are your goals? What are your dreams? I'd love to meet you. I offer a free 30-minute intro lesson. So I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.